In Tehran, when the city lights flicker on, a whole new world awakens, hidden beneath the hum of traffic and the buzz of conversations, where every corner, cafe, and rooftop holds the promise of adventure and unforgettable moments under the stars. Tehran, a city that never sleeps, with its bustling streets and enchanting illuminations, is the perfect place for a nocturnal adventure. In this vibrant city, Bamland, with its blend of traditional and modern architecture, offers a spacious environment for shopping and nighttime entertainment. Street, with its plane trees and soft lighting, provides a beautiful path for a nighttime stroll. Bam Mahak and Bam Kusar, with their breathtaking views of the city, create a serene and delightful atmosphere for memorable nights. Mela Park, with its musical fountains, and Milad Tower, with its unique lighting and revolving restaurant, are among the other attractive spots for nighttime exploration in Tehran. Tehran's night markets are a cultural and social attraction, offering a unique experience of shopping, entertainment, and dining. These markets are not just places for buying goods. They are spaces to experience Tehran's nightlife and culture. Here, you can interact with locals, enjoy local cuisine, and immerse yourself in a lively atmosphere. Shopping in these markets goes beyond a simple transaction, involving bargaining, tasting local foods, and engaging with the community. The architecture of Tehran's night markets reflects different periods of Iranian history, with beautiful lighting and a vibrant environment, creating nights full of excitement and joy. Nightlife in Tehran is an experience that takes you into the heart of this bustling city's nocturnal life. In these vibrant nights, you can enjoy street food, engage in conversations at all-night cafes and restaurants, and savor live music and artistic performances. Nightlife in Tehran is not just an opportunity to experience the city's culture and nightlife, but it also introduces you to a world of creativity and innovation where Tehranians, despite limitations, have found new ways to spend their leisure time. The nights of Iran are a reflection of its culture, life, and emotions. In big cities, the streets remain vibrant, and the glow of lights mirrors the bustling nightlife. Families and friends often gather in cafes or restaurants, or take walks in parks under the night sky. In smaller towns and villages, the nights are quieter and filled with intimacy. Family gatherings with hot tea and long conversations are a part of daily life. Storytelling or gazing at the starry sky keeps the connection to nature alive. Iranian nights also take on a special color during religious or national occasions. Morning ceremonies, celebrations, and unique nightly gatherings in each region showcase the depth of Iranian culture. From the lively nightlife of Tehran to the poetic silence of the desert, the nights of Iran are a mirror of life, harmony, and the cultural diversity of this land. Dear friends, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. Your presence makes this journey so much more enjoyable and inspiring for me. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, I'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Don't miss the upcoming videos, as we'll explore even more fascinating parts of Iran's beautiful nights together. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care, and until next time, goodbye.